Turning to Mr. Food, Howard in that Mr. Food Test Kitchen. He's making some California Dreamin' pasta. It's his own creation. He's going to share it with you right now.
The other day I went home, cooked up some pasta, and when I reached for a jar of spaghetti sauce, I was all out. Rather than moan and groan, I welcomed the challenge and came up with a new dish with a few things that I did have on hand. Boy, did it exceed my expectations. While the spaghetti was cooking, I melted some butter in a skillet and tossed in a handful of walnuts. When the butter turned golden, I added a good amount of fresh spinach, some sliced sun-dried tomatoes, and a little salt and pepper. I cooked this just until the spinach started to wilt. I spooned it over my pasta and gave it a good toss. A little taste test convinced me that I was onto something. So I brought it to the table and topped it with some grated Parmesan and a little more ground pepper. Once everyone tasted it, I knew I had a winner. They were raving about it. This just proves that good, simple ingredients create great, simple dishes. To get the recipe for what we call California Dreamin' Pasta Toss, simply visit our website. And in case you were wondering, I call it that because the walnuts are from California, and I've been dreaming about making this again since that night. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dreamy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
And of course, you can find this recipe and many others on our website. That's KOAMnewsnow.com.